Why can't anyone tell me if I qualify or whether I'll win my disability case? Okay. I have people that say this will say this to me all the time because I had let me give a good example. I had a guy come up to me and say, "What do you think about my chances?" I said, "Well, I need a little bit more information." "Oh, you're just trying to make money off of me." And I stopped him right there. I said, "Let me help you for two reasons. Ethically, I can't just pull out the back of my thigh whether I think you're going to get approved. And that's not trying to be nasty. It's just that I don't know what your medical records look like. I don't know what your conditions are. I don't know anything about your condition other than what you tell me. Now, what you tell me will determine whether or not I'll take your case. But then once I'm into your case, all kind of weird stuff could happen. Meaning you could have left out that you're on drugs. You could have left out that you haven't been following your medical treatment. You could have left out that you've been missing doctor's appointments. So guess what? When you were telling me all this great stuff to make your case sound like it was the bomb, yeah, it looked good then. But then when I got my hand dirty in the case, I realized that you were full of it. And I'm not talking about honey and vinegar. I mean, honey and berries. I'm talking about the good, the nasty stuff. Because the reality is the reason why people can't tell you is because they've got to be able to get their hands involved in it. Most reps who screen cases are listening for different information that you're sharing with them to let them know if you have a potentially good case. But there's no way to know how actually strong your case is until you're actually in the case looking at the medical evidence. And I'm not talking about a couple of papers of discharge notes and prescriptions and forms that you happen to have in your hand. Social Security looks at your entire file. So unless someone can look at your entire file and get a clear picture of what your scenario is, good, bad, or ugly, there's no way anybody's going to be able to definitively tell you whether or not you're going to actually win or not. But I will tell you this. Most reps don't take cases that they don't think they have a chance they can win. So if they've taken your case, they believe that they have something they can work with. But trust, until they see everything, they're not going to know how strong your case is until they see it.